Hello viewers, we're back with another video of Roblox. Today we're making a video of this Hampton Bay Waterton. People behind made one, it didn't look accurate, so I managed to fix that with these accurate blades. The blades are from a Casablanca Delta 2, so I took that off of Casablanca Delta 2 and put it on these Waterton. I made the change longer to make it look more cool, and yeah, but I'm going to show the light. It's 3 ways, so how people behind did that. Made a lot of scripts, change stuff. Does the light. The fan on low. Here's the fan on low. It does have long change, so yeah. I painted the lights black and white so make it look more accurate. And it looks really good. That's what I did, painting the lights black and white.
My sister bought these two. One is in Spanish and it says beauty pageant contest winner.
Alright, here is medium.
Onesies.
That's off.
This is the heart. That one says wild about daddy.
This is medium.
My sister bought her this.
Sorry, my camera's that shaky. So I'm holding the iPad.
Ruffles, and then it has leggings with ruffles also. And then regular pink leggings.
Yeah.
My sister also got her this.
Here is high. I meant high.
Someone got us the zebra lenses.
I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna go to high. High speed. It looks really good on high speed. People got a good job making fan, but he didn't make it white, so I managed to fix that. I made it look like it with these blades. Like I said, these blades are from a Casablanca Delta 2. And looks good. If you guys do not know what Waterton looks like, you can look it up on YouTube and there's like a logo right there. You can see it like here's let me get that. Here's the logo. See, it says maybe I put that down. And let's turn the light on. Does the light again. Here's the thing with the light on. It's really good. Turn the lights off. Turn the fan off first. Let's spin it down too. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys see you next video. Goodbye.